There we go. On Mami Wata. Looks like we've got a bit of a scene here in the turntable section. Oh, monkey. What's he playing at? I don't trust you, you're sending me backwards. Bye. Way! Oh! Whoa, wobble! Nice soundtrack. Little boat maintenance area there. I'm hoping that I get absolutely soaked on this drop because I am really hot. Nice giraffes there as well. Onto the vertical lift now in the tower. Oh, what a view, look at all the trees. So we got a little viewing area there at the bottom. There we go, I think it's going to be a soaker. Way! Oh my god! That is what I wanted. Oh, look at me. Oh, that was great. When it's 31 degrees like it is now, that is just perfect. Enjoyed that a lot, really good. Didn't wait too long, about 15 minutes, which on a hot day is not bad at all. You expect to wait a lot more, don't you, on a hot day for a water ride. Great attraction. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our vlog from the park that's now on YouTube as well, featuring all the other rides.